If you've lived in the United States for years as a permanent resident, you might already be able to become a citizen through completing the naturalization process. Naturalization is a process that grants a person born outside of the United States with citizenship, including all of the rights and obligations that come with it. The process can be long and complicated and unfortunately a bit confusing. I'm Deirdre D, founder of NERO Immigration Law, and if you're considering taking that next step and getting your U.S. citizenship, you might need to speak to an immigration attorney. When it comes to becoming a U.S. citizen, there's a series of requirements that you must meet and processes you must follow. For example, typically you have to have lived in the U.S. as a lawful permanent resident or with a green card for at least 5 years, or it's 3 years if you're married to a U.S. citizen and you got your green card that way. You need to have been physically present and continuously resided in the United States for a certain amount of time and not have traveled too much abroad, because that can make you ineligible. You even need to prove things like having paid taxes and having good moral character. And these are just some of the requirements. You also have to take an English and a civics exam and pass an interview with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, and then take your oath of allegiance. This process isn't quick or easy. It's very lengthy and can be disrupted or stalled by unforeseen events when it's done without an advocate helping guide your way. The U.S. immigration system is anything but easy to understand and follow. It's a maze of legal jargon and requirements and creates tons of potential pitfalls for unsuspecting applicants who attempt to do these things on their own. That's why it's important that you trust who you work with and you hire the right representation who understands the intricacies of immigration law and the processes. Schedule a consultation with me and my team today. We'll analyze your situation, answer your questions, and then customize a strategy that makes sense for you. Don't attempt to figure out U.S. immigration law by yourself. We want to help you navigate the maze of U.S. immigration law. We work with all kinds of people from all over the world, and we look forward to helping you too. Schedule your consultation today.